I'm fairly sure this is a unique invention. I have the pedal wheel, the chain wheel of a bike, which I've just simply popped a couple of screws through onto my whatever it's called that you turn your drill press down with. Chain is latched on the other end. Let me just try and do this. I don't have it, what do we call it? So the chain is bolted on at that end. It then runs along through a little idler gear attached to the wall, through there, through the bench. Then we go underneath the bench, and I have another bit of a push bike where the chain runs over just to keep it lined up, connected with a bit of wire down to an old skateboard which pivots. So let me see if I can get my foot on that. And the idea is you pivot it there, which then drives the drill up and down. Thing is, I cannot really show this but it is much easier in my mind to line a hole or a center mark up with the drill by hand, so you can hold it up here, drill's going obviously, and then just push it through. Might be some use, you never know.